Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we're going to talk about why Bitcoin ETF is actually a trap and why the price after that is going to crash massively, what they have prepared for us, and what should we expect and be aware of. Be cautious, that's what I'm telling you. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's check the news. First of all, Bitcoin empowers financial advisors to recommend Bitcoin to their clients. In fact, one could argue that advisors have a fiduciary responsibility to recommend Bitcoin to their clients, as the numbers show that the more Bitcoin held in portfolio, the higher the Sharpe ratio. This means the portfolio generates higher returns with less downside volatility when Bitcoin is part of the mix than without. In fact, the more Bitcoin held within a portfolio, the higher the Sharpe ratio for that client. Once FAs grok this fact, it will seem downright irresponsible to construct client portfolios without an allocation to Bitcoin. This is the complete 180-degree shift compared to how FAs have treated Bitcoin to date. This is yet another example of how Bitcoin draws is in everything around it, and in this case, thousands of advisors who work with millions of clients will oversee the reallocation of trillions of dollars that would have been invested in assets like stocks and bonds into Bitcoin. That giant sucking sound you hear is the Bitcoin black hole sucking the monetary premium out of the inferior assets. Flashback to 6 years ago, this is what an ETF rejection looked like, and just imagine what would happen right now. If it happened at a price of $1,000 6 years ago, so just imagine what it will be right now when it's going to happen once again. They might just not prepare us for it, and before we had a news over here from like 1200 we got up to 1300, so it's a $100 increase when we got the news, and then the rejection happened, and from almost 1300 we got as low as $958 at the lowest, which is a lot, to be honest. And you need to prepare if it actually is going to be cancellation. The price is going to go massively down with the one big red candlestick. Bitcoin isn't widely adopted because the average person hasn't spent 100 hours learning how their own money works. 1 hour, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. 10 hours, the government will stop it. 100 hours, Bitcoin is digital gold. 1,000 hours, Bitcoin is not crypto. 10,000 hours, Bitcoin frees humanity from state control. The rise of digital gold in one chart. In 2012, 1 ounce of gold was still worth 400 Bitcoin, now less than 5 Satoshi, so it's like 0.005 Bitcoin, which is like, I would tell you that it's really low number, and it will only go down and down as Bitcoin grows, and gold is growing too, but it's not growing that rapidly like Bitcoin does, so it will be worth less Bitcoin every single year. Bitcoin, we're still in the beginning phase of the bull market, and at this chart we could possibly see it. All-time high in 390 days after SRSI crossed 80, then we got the consolidation, a bull cycle starts, all-time high in 730 days after SRSI's crossed 80, then we got the COVID crash, majority sold, mixing parabolic move, and bull cycle starts, all-time high in 850 days after SRSI crossed 80. Now we're looking into the deep, and the bull cycle starts over here, and a lot of people actually expecting it to happen pretty soon. We might get some bad news, as we could see right here. We dropped, then we're rising, that's what we're looking in right now, and then the COVID happened, and something might happen today as well, as I told you before. What actually might happen is that the rejection of the ETFs, and the price will go massively down. You will be able to purchase one last time before the massive bull run starts, and they are preparing us for this. BlackRock considers Bitcoin as a potential investment opportunity. BlackRock's IBIT ETF will hold BSW, not orange Bitcoin. And basically you could see this agreement on their screenshot as well. Sincerely, Martin Small, CFO of BlackRock. That, yeah, kind of something's happening there as well. So with all the information being said, Bitcoin is on the move upwards, but before that we might drop massively, and prepare for more purchases. See you in the next one, and peace.